My project is the description of my favorite room in my house. My favorite room is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. The walls are white. On the left side is my bed. Above the bed there is a 3 yellow picture of butterfly dancing on the wall. Next to my bed there is a night table. On top of that there is an orange lamp and my black telephone. On the left right my bedroom there is a big closet. Here I had my clothes and other personal things. Next to my closet there is a dresser with a mirror it. The window is big. They are covered with green curtains. In front of my bed there is a table made of glass. There I place my home theater. Above the table glass there is a black TV hanging on the wall. Under the table glass there is a basket for dirty clothes. I like my bedroom because I rest and relax myself. That's all. Thank you.